Hi, good afternoon, Legion members and SAL members. This is a special quick note out to the post and squadron adjutants or finance members that are getting the reimbursement checks from the national organization and state headquarters, along with your statement of account, which is the report that accompanies that check for you to determine how you're being reimbursed and for the members that you're reimbursed for. On that report, it will show you at the top the period of time that the check is for. Below that, it will show your squadron or your post information. Just below that, the biggest thing to verify, there's a header that says member ID, member name, member year, the year they paid for, national, department, district, and county and post. And those are the columns that show the amounts of money that are coming from each or being held by each or being reimbursed back to the post or the squadron. The very first top heading, you'll see the years. It'll say MI for Michigan, the year of 2025. It'll show some dates. It will show if it's an SAL report or a post report. And then it will say, the very first top one will say member online renewal. What member online renewal is, that is the members of your post or your squadron that is going online through My Legion and renewing themselves. So in the example that's being shown, you'll see that the first member there was only one that renewed themselves for $25 as an SAL member. You can see National kept their $5, Department got $6, and then the post or the squadron got back $14. Because as you know, the national and state per capita is $11. And if you subtract 11 from 25, the remainder is 14. So the post received $14 back to that one member. Now in the example shown, you'll see just below that, it will say SAL post online transmittal. And what that represents, that is the post adjutant or whoever's processing your membership at your local post or squadron that's renewing in the list of those members. And it's showing just the amount that the post or the squadron is renewing to the national organization at the time that they're doing the renewal through My Legion. Now you'll notice in the column for post, it will be 0. And the reason for that is because when the post received or the squadron received the money from the member themselves in the form of cash or check, let's say it was for $20, $25, whatever your post or squadron charges. In the post case, it could be $45, $50, $55. It's showing just the amount that's remitted back to the national organization only. So in this case, it was $11 on the example. And then you can see that they kept their $5. And then you'll see a column with all the $6 there, which represents that the national organization is paying back the department our per capita per member. And in that, again, once again, the column on the far right-hand side under post, it will all be zeros because the post kept the money to begin with when they received the dues from the member in a check or a cash form. So that is a quick overview of how and why this report is done. So it's an accountability for you to see and determine that you are being reimbursed by the national and state organizations for the members that are being renewed online by themselves, or they're being renewed online by your post or our squadron adjutants. If you have any further questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to the department headquarters at 517-371-4720 or email member@michiganlegion.org. And it's there across the bottom. It's all spelled out in one word. Thanks for, again, renewing your membership, helping this great organization exist, and for everything you do.